How can we communicate with babies in the womb? I shall introduce some basic tips for bond and connect with babies in the womb. All the following topics are included in my free course of how to communicate with babies during pregnancy for beginners. Relaxation music. Babies in the womb loves relaxing music and the soothing sound of water and the ocean, which probably resembles the environment in the womb. Drawing. It is a wonderful way to express your feelings towards the unborn baby by drawing. I shall share with you my course on drawing as a mean to bond and communicate with unborn babies. Communication skills. It will cover some basic steps and tips to communicate with babies in the womb. Mental relaxation. Steps on mental relaxation for stress reduction during pregnancy will be introduced in the free course. Journaling. Journaling facilitates emotional release and exploration, thus it promotes emotional well-being of pregnant mothers. I have included more tips and experience to bond and communicate with babies during pregnancy into my free course How to Communicate with Babies During Pregnancy for Beginners. Enroll into my free course and give more tips to connect with your babies during pregnancy. Enjoy the journey of pregnancy. https://www.10xlevel.co/p/how to communicate and bond with your babies during pregnancy/